This video is a tutorial and overview of our development programs directory. In the next few minutes, we will cover all the features of our directory and how to navigate it. If you're interested in any particular part of the development programs directory, you can jump to the specific times being displayed now. Development programs are fast-track, high-profile programs designed to accelerate your career and fill a need for the company, many times in leadership positions. These programs have a major ongoing education component where you go through rotations and various assignments with the primary objective being your development. We have almost 600 development programs in our directory, sourced and cataloged by actual people, specifically for MBAs. You can filter through all these programs using various criteria and apply directly to any programs which are open. On top of that, adding a program to your favorites will actually increase your visibility with that employer as you get added to their recruiter talent pool on the platform. You can also get weekly or even daily updates directly to your personalized stream or straight to your inbox, with any new programs or opening applications matching your preferences. Stay tuned for more detailed information about our development program directory, as well as how to make the most of the features we offer. You can access the Development Program search through the top navigation by hovering over the Development Programs tab, then clicking on Search Programs. You can search through various development programs based on their location, industry, employer, focus area, years of work experience, and whether the program is an internship or full-time program. You can also exclude all programs that are currently closed for application by checking this box. Once you have filled out your search criteria, click the Find Programs button on the right. The amount of programs in your search results will be displayed on the left, just below the search. Next to that, you will also be able to order your search results by company name, last review, popularity, and recently opened. Each development program thumbnail will contain the current company logo, the program title, the beginning of the description, a tag with its focus area, and the location of the program. You can click either the program title or company logo to go to the full program page. You can also add the program to your favorites by clicking the star in the top left corner. The right column of the program page will have all the programs currently on offer at that employer, with the program you are viewing highlighted. Below that are some key details about the employer itself. The top three boxes on the program page will show the program's focus area, target, and duration. Below that is the program description containing all pertinent information about the program, including roles and responsibilities. Some programs may also contain an insider information section, which we fill out manually, and contains useful information about the program, usually sourced from recruiters or program managers. Next, we have the Application and Information section, which contains work permit information, basic and preferred qualifications, tips on how to apply, and a link to the company's general program page. Lastly, the Location section contains all the potential locations where you could participate in the program. If the program is currently open, you can apply to it by clicking the Apply button at the top or bottom of the page. This concludes the tutorial video for our Development Programs directory. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us at helpline@mba-exchange.com.